gather everything here. If you would, find your textbooks, and we're going to turn to page, not here, but we're going to flip on over and turn to page 604. 604 for me, please. We are in section 10.5. Okay, so we're going to look at the differences here. In a small recording studio and large auditoriums, acoustical foam is placed on walls and ceilings to control sound and correct sound problems. The size and shape of the foam is used to determine on the sound problem, or depends on the sound problem, sorry. Two different acoustical foam shapes are shown. This one and this one. My pyramid foam and my wedge foam, okay? Describe the polyhedrons, which means my 3D shape, used in each type of acoustical foam board. Well, in the first one, it looks like I have a rectangular pyramid. Okay, I have a rectangular pyramid. In the second one, I notice I have two triangles, and then I'm going to assume three rectangles. So I know my base is a triangle. That my second one is a triangular prism. Okay, I have a rectangular pyramids here, and I have triangular prisms here. Okay. Letter B, all letter B is asking us is to compare the top surface areas of each foam board, meaning I would need to sit here and look at all of the surface area that I see on top of each of my foam board. Now let's think about this. We've been learning about how to find the total surface area, okay, where we find the area. So if I were to redraw this picture here, okay, I'm going to draw the net. Okay, I'm going to find the area of this figure, this figure, this figure, this figure, and this figure. That's the total surface area. Well, on my foam board, what do you notice that I don't see? I don't see the base. So I want to know how much area is going to be covered up here that the sound will be bouncing off of. Meaning all I want is this area, this area, this area, and this area. I just want my sides. I want the area of my sides, which we know that my sides is equivalent to my lateral sides. The word lateral, sorry, I was going to say lateral area. Okay. And then I would sit here and find the lateral area for here, which means I'm going to take away one of the bottom sides here. Okay. That's how we're comparing it. So let's take a look at a few examples here. On number 2 on page 605. All right, so one square pyramid from the pyramidical form in the board is shown here. Okay, so I have my rectangular pyramid. Oops, let it focus. Will it focus? Perfect. And it's giving me a 4 by 4. I'm told that my height is 3 inches. And look, it tells me the lateral. But if you remember, we don't use the lateral. Does not matter to us. Okay, so we need to label all known dimensions of my net. Okay, so well, I know the height of my triangle is going to be 3 inches. Okay, the height of my triangle is 3 inches. And I know that each side is 4 inches.